This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've opened Google Earth and centered the view on the placemark you want to remove. First, make sure you're in the correct application version, Web or Pro. Once done, open the Places or My Places panel so the placemark appears in the list. This is where you'll manage items. You want a clear view and the item highlighted, otherwise deletion might remove the wrong object. From here, select the placemark entry to make it active. That selection enables the next steps for removal. Now you'll remove the selected placemark. You've highlighted it in the Places list and verified its position on the globe. On desktop, right-click the placemark and choose Delete. On web, open the item menu, 3 dots, and pick Remove. Confirm the deletion when the prompt appears. This prevents accidental loss. If the placemark is inside a folder, expand that folder first so you delete the specific entry, not the folder itself. Make sure any linked images or notes are backed up if you might need them later. Finish by saving and verifying the change. In Pro, use File Save My Places to persist deletions. Web usually saves automatically, but confirm by refreshing. If the placemark reappears, check for syncing delays with Google Drive or that you aren't viewing a read-only KML/KMZ that re-imports the item. If deletion failed due to permissions, make the file writable or download and edit the KML locally. As a troubleshooting tip, restore from a saved KML/KMZ or use undo immediately if you catch the mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.